SheaMoisture Purple Rice Water Strength Plus Color Care Mask infuses brittle strands with intense hydration to restore health and strength. This nutritive deep conditioning hair mask envelopes hair with replenishing moisture. This deep conditioning hair treatment helps brighten hair while diminishing warm, brassy undertones to preserve radiant color, leaving strands looking their brilliant best. SheaMoisture Purple Rice Water Strength Plus Color Care Mask for colored hair features these key ingredients: purple rice water, wild orchid and sweet violet extract. Apply generously to clean, wet hair. Comb thoroughly from roots to ends for even distribution. Focus from mid-shaft and ends. Leave in hair mask for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Style as usual. Color treating can leave hair looking dull and feeling straw-like. SheaMoisture Purple Rice Water Strength Plus Color Care Mask infuses brittle strands with intense hydration to restore health and strength. Once forbidden purple rice, wild orchid and sweet violet extract are blended with SheaMoisture Fair Trade certified organic shea butter and other natural ingredients in this nutritive formula that deep conditions and envelopes hair with replenishing moisture. This hydrating hair mask for color-treated hair helps brighten hair while diminishing warm, brassy undertones to preserve radiant color, leaving strands looking their brilliant best. Try the entire Purple Rice Water collection, which includes 5 products: shampoo, conditioner, mask, primer styler and oil serum. This natural hair mask is formulated with no silicone, no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalate, no mineral oil or petrolatum. Never test on animals. Directions. Apply generously to clean, wet hair. Comb thoroughly from roots to ends for even distribution. Focus from mid-shaft and ends. Leave in for 5 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Style as usual. SheaMoisture story. SheaMoisture is the legacy of Sophie Tucker, a pioneering mother of 4 and an entrepreneur, who sold shea butter, African black soap and homemade beauty preparations in Sierra Leone in 1912. We honor her vision by continuing to formulate with raw shea butter handcrafted by women in Africa. With every purchase, you show support of our mission to reinvest back in our communities. Ethically traded ingredients sustainably produced. Pioneering community commerce and fair trade since 1912. Tested on the Tucker family for 4 generations. Never on animals. Top reviews from the United States. See the results you want after 1 wash. I recently bleached my curly, wavy hair for the first time and didn't realize I would kill the volume and curls in my hair. I was so sad. After a few reviews, decided on this product and I'm so glad I did. After just 1 use, my hair had volume and waves back. I wash my hair 1x every 3 days and use this at the end for about 20 minutes, then rinse off. My hair looks better each time and has waves again. I'll try using just rice water next time to be budget friendly.